many of you guys out there have toes? You all have toes?
I hope so.
You ready to tap them? Are you ready to tap those toes? Okay. This song is called Boat on the River. And if you haven't heard it, you can still listen, right? If you don't know it, it doesn't stop you. This is by Tommy Shaw, a member of the group Styx. Oh, we have a Styx fan out there. The waves on the sand, and all roads lead to Tranquility Base, where the frown on my face disappears. Take me down to my boat on the river. I need to go down. Won't you let me go down? Take me back to my boat on the river, and I won't cry out anymore. And I won't cry out anymore, and I won't cry